Welcome to SubNav OS Learning. Today I will be showing you how to save and export a video recording from SubNav onto your computer. First, open the recording you want to save. Next, choose the display you would like to view your video in. To change your display settings, move your cursor to the top right-hand corner and select the three dots. Once you've opened this tab, choose from several display options, including single window, picture-in-picture, horizontal, vertical, and grid view. Close out this screen to continue. Now that we have our display set to our liking, we can choose what portion of the video we would like to record. If you wish to record the entire video, you can skip this next step. However, if you decide that you want to record only a portion of your recording, you can drag the white markers on the left and right of your timeline to adjust the section you want to export. Once you have selected the section you wish to record, click Export in the top left-hand corner. From here you will be able to choose what type of file you want to save your video as. Once you've chosen your file type, click Save. You have successfully exported and saved a video through SubNav. For more information on SubNav OS and all of its features, please visit our website